Okay, just like in S1, and when we had logarithmic form, this is going to be natural logarithmic form. Now, I understand that, let me see, natural log, okay? Well, whenever you have natural log, you want to abbreviate that, and everybody's going to say, well, that's NL. But it's Latin for, or if you say it in Latin form, it's logarithmus naturale. And so logarithmus naturale, L and N. This is not a 1 and it's not an I. It is a lowercase l. And so whenever you see L, N, you pronounce natural log. All right, and after you do a couple of these, you're just going to accept it and go on with it. Now, if we had a common logarithm, when we had the word log, common log, it's just log, and when we didn't have a base here, and we had another number, and like 1 right there, okay? When we don't have a base, it's understood to be the number 10. If you have a natural log problem, a natural log equation, you should never have a base because it's understood to be the number, and yes, I said that correctly, number E. E, like pi, is 3.14. The number E is 2.718, approximately, because it goes on forever and ever and ever and never repeats. It is an irrational number. So you're never going to need to know that, but it's kind of cool to know. All right, so E is a number, but you never knew that, right? And if we ever need to know it, then we will use it. It takes me a whole lot longer to explain what's going on to actually do these problems. That's how it normally is, right? Okay, so let me erase that real quick. All right, here we are. We're at the exponential equation in logarithmic form. When it says logarithmic and your base is E, it's actually talking about natural logarithmic form. So they're going to use an ln. Your E, if you had one, would go right here, but we're never going to put it. And then we've already used the 54.598, so what's left is 4. If you put this in a calculator, even though you don't know how to do that yet, you're going to get either like 3.999 or 4.001, something like that. So it's approximately 4. All right, and again, the E is used, the 5 is used. Natural log, log is exponent. So what's the natural log or what's the exponent? The exponent is 1.609. These are kind of easy because they're giving you one number already, so the other spot's going to be what's left, right? So the natural log is approximately 2.079. So what's the exponent? 2.079. Write the logarithmic equation in exponential form. And so we have the 1.09, we have the 3, and all that's left is the natural log. So I need the base, and the base is the number E, because that's how we do it basically. And then the natural log is the exponent, so the exponent's going to go right here. So if you put natural log 3 into a calculator, you're going to get 1.099 ... That's it.